Crystal Palace defeats Liverpool for the FA Community Shield. What are the lessons to be learned for Liverpool fans, Arne Slot, Van Dijk and his team? We will dissect every element of the game today here at the Marching Reds. So welcome back to my channel. मैं हूं अमन चीमा और आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि कहां हम लोग मैच हारे. What are the positives and negatives to look forward to this season for Liverpool? So let's start right away. So in the curtain raiser of the season, Arne Slot handed 4 Liverpool debuts to Frimpong, Kerkez, Florian Wirtz and Hugo Ekitike. मामादारशविली भी खेल लेता अगर एलिसन जस्ट इन टाइम फिट ना होता. बट प्लेइंग 11 की बात करें तो प्लेइंग 11 picked itself up. We had Alisson in goal. Back four was Frimpong, Konate, Van Dijk and Kerkez. So in the midfield, we got an unexpected absentee, which was Ryan Gravenberch, who became a parent over the weekend. So congratulations to him. But that made us start Jones as number 6, Curtis Jones as number 6. We had also Dominic Szoboszlai, who had a defensive responsibility in this game, more of a defensive responsibility in this game, and Florian Wirtz in the number 10 position. This was an interesting decision because we knew McAllister was not 90 minutes fit. We did not know about the Gravenberch situation, but last year के comparison में अगर हम लोग एक मैच में देख रहे हैं कि अगेंस्ट सिटी अवे एटिहाड पे हम लोग अगर कर्टिस जोन्स और डोमिनिक सोबोसलाई को 4-4 के दो स्ट्राइकर पोजीशंस पे खिला रहे हैं या फिर फॉल्स स्ट्राइकर पोजीशंस पे खिला रहे हैं, उनको हम लोग सडनली इतना ज्यादा डिफेंसिव रोल दे रहे हैं in the beginning of the season. So that was an interesting matchup and I was really excited to see whether they will be able to cope up with the likes of Macheta, Eze, Sarr and having that counter-attacking plan that Crystal Palace had. But we'll come to that later. The front line, Mo Salah on the right wing, Hugo Ekitike got his first start in the number 9 position and Cody Gakpo was the obvious left winger. So game की शुरुआत काफी interesting होती है. As a Liverpool fan, I was of course excited to see how the new players link up with each other, link up with our old teammates. But it was really nice to see how Florian Wirtz was dictating the early initial moments of the game. Like he was able to run through those channels, find those spaces in between the Crystal Palace lines. जो पहला गोल भी था, like he got the ball from Ekitike and then he played it back to Ekitike in that very tight narrow spot. Ekitike takes a touch and then shoots the ball towards the goal. A fine finish and that was a brilliant start to the game as a Liverpool fan. But we were very well aware कि what the threat was going to be. Like उनकी counter attacking force को कैसे हम लोग neutralize करते हैं. That was the game, right? So 1-0 up होने के बाद we gave away a silly penalty which I don't expect of Van Dijk to do, but again pre-season है, everybody's finding their rhythm, everybody's trying to reach at the level where they ended last season and ऐसी mistakes होना is justifiable in games like these, but this is something which should not happen at a regular occurrence during the season. So I'm pretty sure Van Dijk will be very well aware कि what he did wrong and Macheta being Macheta, he finished it off in a very striker way possible. So that was 1-1, but that did not stop us from dominating and attacking Crystal Palace. दूसरा goal was scored by Frimpong. Like I don't know whether वो short था या cross था. Like I'll be honest, जब उसने वो short या cross लिया, I was looking at the box and not at the ball कि यार okay, like किसको target कर रहा है. But as soon as I saw कि peripheral vision में कि goalkeeper अपना हाथ मारने की कोशिश कर रहा है, and I was like एक second. ये गोल हुआ है नहीं हुआ है क्या हुआ है, did he parry the ball across the crossbar? But commentators को सुन के like it actually went in and then they started celebrating, which was really nice to see. And if I'm not wrong, the strike happened at 20 minutes 20 seconds, which was memorable or like in a way a tribute to Diogo Jota. So again, always in our hearts, may his soul rest in peace. So that was 2-1 and momentum was completely with us. We were running the game, but there were not so many moments, but definite moments where we saw Daniel Munoz running down the wing and जिसकी वजह से Kerkez was finding a little bit of difficulty because again he is still not a 90 minutes man as of now. We could see Cody Gakpo filling in and doing his defensive responsibilities. So that was the threat. And for Crystal Palace, it became crystal clear in a way कि 2-1 we are trailing, but let's not concede another goal and let's try to find a little bit of momentum back into the game, because अगर उसी half में 3-1 हो जाता या 2 गोल की लीड लिवरपूल के पास आ जाती, then it would have played into Liverpool's hands कि यार Liverpool would have controlled the game in a much more better way, and फिर क्रिस्टल पैलेस के पास चांस ही नहीं होता कम बैक करने का. So the fact that it was 2-1 at half time was, I think, in eventually hindsight maybe played a was the first step in which how Crystal Palace actually won this game. So that was my first half reaction. Second half में we came back, there were no changes, and we could see कि initial moments में we tried to get our rhythm back. एक दो chances भी थे Ekitike को, like Ekitike I personally felt performed really well, like debut पे आना, पहला गोल करना, and then not only उसने गोल किया, the fact that he was linking up really well with all the other teammates, Florian Wirtz हो गया, Salah हो गया, so that was really nice to see. और उसके साथ साथ I think after the first 10 minutes or so we started losing the control that we had, and we could see, just because Jones or Szoboszlai were the defensive duo in the central midfield, we could see that just because they are very attack minded, like defense is not their first priority, we could see कि Crystal Palace midfielders started to find a little more space, a little more time on the ball, a little more time to see where they can execute the next pass, which eventually led to the equalizer goal for Crystal Palace. So I know as a neutral fan or like Crystal Palace fan, they would be like, यार बहुत सारे chances concede किए लिवरपूल ने, but we were playing a high back line, right? We always have to remember कि अगर by chance offside हो जाता है या फिर offside की वजह से late होती है, उस टाइम पे it just registers into our mind कि यार ये चांस बन रहा था. तो उससे क्या होता है, just because the whistle is not blown or like वो situation थोड़ा सा आगे जाके रुक जाती है, it always plays into the opposition mind कि हाँ यार this is a way to get at them. So जब equalizer हुआ, I think that was the last best moment in our game, in the game for us, because उसके बाद तो I didn't see Liverpool finding any sort of rhythm, any sort of control. Like we were trying to hope कि यार कोई एक magical moment आ जाए जिससे गोल करके like you know we could win this trophy, but there wasn't any case or any situation जो ऐसी अकर हुए. तो मैकैलिस्टर आया, we saw Robertson replacing Kirkes. शुरुआत में in the first half we could see Ekitike taking up the left wing position. Ekitike और Gakpo का भी काफी positional switch हमने देखा. In the end we saw Ekitike being taken out. Then we had this lineup of McAllister. Endo also came onto the pitch. Szoboszlai was there, and then Cody Gakpo, Florian Wirtz, Szoboszlai up there, and then Salah. Like Salah was really off his game. I mean, अगर if I have to really choose कि यार तू एक मैच में बिल्कुल भी turn up ना करे, it has to be this one only, because again pre-season है. In terms of individual performances, Ekitike I liked. Florian Wirtz again a complete baller. Like he just dominated whenever he got the ball. Like वो जो touch देने से पहले he half turns and receives the ball on that half turn, which allows this space to be created, and वो जैसे pass ढूंढता है in those tight spaces, it's a treat to watch. Alisson, I have to commend Alisson. Like हफ्ते पहले he was in Brazil for his personal reasons, and he flew back, and then जैसे हमने देखा कि like on one-on-one situations he is the goalkeeper to beat, which does not get beaten that often. So again, Alisson top performance. Frimpong had that goal. अच्छे लगे उसके glimpses भी. Kirkes in a similar way. So just because we lost, थोड़ा सा sinking feeling तो है, but again there are a lot of positives, and penalty shootout के बारे में थोड़ा सा touch करूंगा. Like we started with Salah and McAllister, who we think यार these are sure shot penalty scorers, and unfortunately they didn't score for us in this particular occasion. काफी मेरे को PSG वाली vibes आई, like the penalty shootout against PSG, कि यार we somehow reached there, we had a chance because it's a penalty shootout, but we weren't really there. So we lost the clinical edge in that game also, in this game also. So again, penalty shootout, it's a 50-50 game. So I'm not taking anything away from Crystal Palace, don't get me wrong. Like congratulations to them, their fans deserve it, their manager deserves it, their players deserve it, and I'm pretty sure जो उनका situation चल रहा है with UEFA, like this could be the nice moment that they can think of during this time. So it will be quite interesting to see कि slot midfield के लिए किसको choose करता है against Bournemouth. I mean, like Gravenberch not being there, McAllister can play a half, maybe 60-70 minutes in the number 6 position. Does he believe in Curtis Jones again, or will he give Endo the first start? और Neoni की भी बात चल रही है, but again, what is the solution? Will he play 45 minutes a player and switch it at half time? Like, it would be really intriguing to see, because that is one of those positions where अगर Gravenberch होता, not only he would have got more control, but the fact कि वो ball रख के carry forward भी कर सकता है, that just creates another dynamic to this Liverpool team. Like हार गए तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार इतना पैसे खर्च करने का फायदा क्या है, but there are a lot of positives also, like the way we linked up, attack is looking really nice, and defense में ये slot ने भी अपने press conference में कहा था that he is not happy with the fact that they've conceded 4 against AC Milan and like 2 against Athletic Bilbao, or like he's not happy with the fact that they're conceding more goals, and I mean the fact कि उसको पता है is a good sign for all the Liverpool fans, because we can just either look at those games or look at those press conferences or interviews given by the staff members or the players. तो अगर उस चीज का public acknowledgement है तो we know कि they will be addressing this during their training ground sessions. I mean, it is not the end of the world कि हम लोग मैच हार गए. Like of course जैसे हाइप अप हो रहा था कि भाई लिवरपूल सबको जीत जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, बट जैसे मैंने अपने सीजन प्रीव्यू में भी कहा था कि आई एम पर्सनली फाइन अगर इन प्लेयर्स को थोड़ा सा हम लोग टाइम दें, इफ वी एज फैंस आर पेशेंट, बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है, फीफा तो खेल नहीं रहे हैं कि यार हर एक प्लेयर को साइन करके वो ठा करके अपनी चीजें करेंगे एंड देन वील बिकम इन द इनविंसिबल टीम. सो न्यू प्लेयर्स का एम्बेड होना, ओल्ड प्लेयर्स को न्यू प्लेयर्स के साथ सेटल होना, वो सारी चीजें ऑफ द पिच काफी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर प्ले करती हैं, और वी शुड टेक दिस गेम एज अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज एंड गो बैक टू द ड्राइंग रूम एंड सी कि कौन से होल्स हम लोग ट्रांसफर विंडो के साथ भर सकते हैं, कौन से डिफेंसिव क्वेश्चंस हम लोग ऑफ द पिच ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड में अपनी टीम को और सॉलिडिफाई करने के लिए बेटर कर सकते हैं. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू क्रिस्टल पैलेस, एंड उनकी विनिंग स्ट्रीक कंटिन्यू होती है. लाइक दे वन देयर लास्ट 2 ट्रॉफीज प्लेइंग एट वेम्बली, एंड पोलर ऑपोजिट केस है लिवरपूल का. द लास्ट टाइम देव ट्रैवल्ड, और द लास्ट 2 times they've traveled, we've lost 2 trophies, and it's something that we'll have to change, and we have to it'll be a hard pill to swallow. But again, starting of the season ahead, there is much more to look forward to, and yeah, like I'm still fine, I'm still smiling, and I'm still hopeful of the fact that Slot will get this right. I really hope that we all Liverpool fans remember that we are the Premier League champions. But having said that, ये चीज entitlement के साथ नहीं आनी चाहिए. Sometimes new teams, new players need a little bit of more time, and I just hope that we are patient enough to give them that freedom to express themselves as well as gel in with all the teammates. And एक बार squad settle हो गया ना, then I'm pretty sure with Slot being at the helm, he will get those right tools at the right times, and we will start winning games. Not saying that यार अगर हार गए तो it's like downhill from there, but थोड़ा सा टाइम और दो. आई नो द एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ गेटिंग द बिगेस्ट प्लेयर्स इन द वर्ल्ड, द ट्रांसफर रूमर्स, कभी कभार हम लोग ज्यादा आगे की देख लेते हैं रादर देन बीइंग इन द मोमेंट. सो इट्स नॉट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, एज आई सेड बिफोर. द प्रीमियर लीग इज अबाउट टू स्टार्ट. लेट्स गेट एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट, एंड लेट्स बैक द टीम, बिकॉज जैसे लास्ट ईयर अगेंस्ट नॉटिंघम फॉरेस्ट we saw that we experienced the same feeling कि भाई अब यहाँ से क्या होगा, and then we know क्या हुआ. So let's get back the feeling of acknowledging the fact that there may be a few losses here and there in the season, but we as fans have to stand right behind the team, because they, us, we shall never walk alone. So if you've liked this video, please let me know by subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can also let me know your comments about this game in the comment section, and there is much more to come to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.